In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this OnePlus. You need to begin by accessing settings. Now choose password and security, click on face section over here and enter your current screen lock. After that, choose continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of those instructions. Now you need to select Done and adjust all of those settings however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to chosen features. So now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!